Yo, Ebusia, welcome to Gatsbygh GH. Today, I'm gonna show you a bag that I just discovered that I feel like every Ghanaian who is traveling to Ghana must have one of these bags. Right there. Hey, no crab bag we say there. That's what condom Canadian. I'm rubber band with me about home because our band one is a why not there for not one. Nadia was a big cruise. Oh, but once I why not had a better home. Or about how to was I why they got had we say now need the a year de chichi. Hey, you ready to go kunipa? Bag is if anything. Who needs both when you get two in one? You have a bag and you have a skirt. A skirt and a bag as a combo. I don't know. You know what? So this actually lead me to our next topic, the crazy fashion that is taking center stage nowadays. Fashion dia kami huye nenka enye huye kenyo, yes, ebisunye, yes, when you find fashion small what are the fe when you find fashion enipa timi hye near the co baby when you put me share na young who can say what are you fatal now wait say ye gaga wuga say a ye I don't even know, I'm just short of words. This Gen Z generation Z, I don't know what they want to do to us, but I feel like it's about time we start speaking before these Gen Z people sell us some kind of ridiculous attire that by the time you get home you don't even know how to wear that clothes, or whether you should give it to your cat to wear, whether you should maybe let your TV wear it. I have no idea. Some of these stuff are so crazy. Sometimes I wonder who wears these. I don't even see them in movies. Is it in theaters or what? Because I don't know where these ones go. If you guys know the people that wears these kind of fashion, please leave a comment below and direct me to a link to see so that I can go there and watch the people who are also wearing these clothes. This is absolutely madness, craziness, ridiculous, atrocious. Hey, what kind of fashion is this? How? I mean, you be the judge, because I cannot comment anymore. I'm just short of words. I'm done. Kaput, nothing. Now, so we can say, fashion design in here. Atadie bay pan with me upon a shower with me the two free baby. You couldn't have that show. Let's see one thing. Abroche ko kunipa o serve Gen Z imponi na Gen Alpha for na eba na eni my message my dwani free cream and I just say bone naked near the nam eni ena yanka say yetri ho amu yetri boni say mu mi hwe yeni yanka say yetri ho. Anyway, thank you so much. If you feel like these nowadays the fashion is just getting out of hand, the fashion trend is getting out of hand with some ridiculous clothing, some shoulder pads that are out of this world, that are bigger than houses, some shoes that are like the heels are like out of nowhere, you can't even wear it. I'm not even sure who wears these kind of things. A pants that comes with the bag attached to it. Do you feel like you've seen it all, or do you really believe there is even worse ones coming? Leave comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Stay blessed.